The past couple months, Sherelle's been talking about trying to make the house a little bit more customized to us. As you guys know, we bought a new house like 3 years ago, new construction. Thing about new construction is that pretty much everything's almost the same. So we're like, you know what, we're gonna make it a craftsman style as much as we can inside the house to make it a lot different than anyone else's. So if anybody comes over, they can see the big difference. You know, we were the only floor plan like ours in the neighborhood, well, in our cul-de-sac. But our neighbor also has the same exact floor plans. So instead, what she wanted was she actually wanted to have the doors painted black. She's been looking at online at a lot of doors with the interior doors painted black. So like this one, and all the interior doors, which I was on the fence about at first because I did like how the white doors matched the white trim. But then I started going on Pinterest and I started looking around and I said, you know what, that's not too bad. So while she goes out of town tonight, she'll be back tomorrow night, I'm gonna run to Home Depot with the kids, go get some paint, start painting all the doors, and so that it's done by the time she gets back. All right, so this is where we are so far. Started painting, first coat is done. Gotta let it dry a little bit, and then I'll come back and get it again. And we'll go from there, but I don't know, looks pretty decent to me. What you guys think? That's just the door that's in the, that door is purple because that's the same color as the front door. But what you guys think? That's the closet door. Forget, let me find a door. Worst case scenario, I could just repaint white if I have to. But let's see. Yeah, that's not bad. Looks pretty decent. Yeah, that looks good. And the reason why I thought it might actually look good is because the fireplace, inside the fireplace has the white trim and then the black on the inside. So I said, hey, this might be a way to tie things together. All right, so this door is done. Looks pretty good. I came over here, started working on the bathroom door. That's got a second coat on now. This hallway door is about to get a second coat as well. What you guys think so far? Yeah, get that second coat in. This one got a second coat. I'm gonna do the outsides first and then come back and do the insides of the door another day. Just so Sherelle could at least see what it looks like to see if this is what she wants. I get, well, it's not really seeing what she wants anymore because I kind of committed. So we're here. But you already see I started doing the inside of this one, and I'll just have to do the back side. And I'm good to go. I did this door right here. I think it's gonna be good because it's painted black, so it's gonna have like, it's gonna be easier to keep clean. Because it was white before and it used to get dirty really quickly. Just with the kids' hands coming in and out since this door we use a lot. So I'll still be able to wipe it down, but it just won't look as crazy. It's coming together. Got the doors upstairs to do, and then I should be done. Alright, so I am almost done with painting all the doors. As you can see, the doors upstairs, that's London's room, that's the bathroom, that's Case's room, that's a linen closet, that's the laundry room, and our bedroom door is right there. I think it looks pretty good. What you guys think? Oh, then my office door is also black. All I'm doing now is just kind of like wrapping up the closet doors in the side of each room, but I think it came out pretty well. You know, it took a lot longer than I thought. It actually took 2 gallons of paint to paint. No. Yeah, about 2 gallons of paint to kind of paint all the doors. So it hasn't been too bad. Well, actually no, I lied. It actually took 3 gallons of paint, which was actually a lot more than I thought. It was a little bit of a pain, to be honest with you. It took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. Obviously, it doesn't help that the doors are actually on the hinges still. I guess it would have been a little bit better if I took them off. That's a lot of work, though. So, you know, you got to take shortcuts when you can. And sometimes those shortcuts make life a little bit harder than it has to be. But, you know, I definitely saved some time making sure the doors don't have to get realigned and all that stuff. And I didn't feel like dealing with that. So, I think it went by pretty good. What you guys think? That is a semi-gloss black. It is called Dark Secret from Behr. So yeah, it's coming out pretty good, I guess. Let's see. Let's go inside Londa's room. So that's inside. And then I'm working on her closet still, but you see, there you go. I think it adds a really good, whoa, that's glare. I think it really does add a different look to the house. I like it. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna change out the doorknobs because these are just the generic builder doorknobs, which are, they're all rub bronze, but I think honestly all they did was take regular plain colored gold doorknobs and just painted them, because even the front door you start to see the scratches, you see it underneath. So I'm gonna actually upgrade and get real doorknobs and stuff like that, but it's coming together.